Alright, now let's talk about the next command in a Unix or Linux based system, so which is touch, which is used to create files or directories. So if I type let's say currently I just have one file and I want to create another file, I can use touch to create files quickly. So if I type hello.txt and hit enter, if I type ellipse, here I have hello.txt file. So the touch command is used to create directories and used to, if the file that you want to create already exists, it will update the updated of that timestamp of that file. So here I have two files. If I type ls tag la, here I have two files. Hello.txt was last modified at on 11:33 and hi.txt was last modified on 11:32. So let's say I want to update the if I type touch hi.txt, it will update this. So let's try it. I will type touch and hi.txt. So if I hit enter, now nothing happened. If I type ls tag la, and here you can see hi.txt is now modified from 11:32 to 11:34, and it shows the created and updated at that timestamp. So it modifies that, and by default it creates files on read and write permissions. As you can see here, they are showing the permission. Let's create another file, touch hi2.txt and ls tag la. Here as you can see, hi2.txt is also in read and write permission, have read and write permissions from group users and uh, root users. So you can use touch command to create quickly files. So and also you can pass the whole path to where your file you want to be created. So I don't have high directory. Here I have high and hi2.txt file, but I don't have high directory. So let's try to create file inside the directory that does not exist to see what is going to happen. So if I type touch and hi/hi.txt and hit enter, as you can see, no such file or directory. So I don't have the directory. So for that you will need to have that directory that you want to create file inside. So if I see the main page of uh, the short page of the touch main tag if touch, here you can see it change file timestamp. So the main job of this is to change the timestamp of the file that you pass as a parameter. And if I see the main page of touch command, here as you can see they are showing a lot of information regarding this, and you can add some parameters as well. So see the main page using main touch command.